Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some BODMAS, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So we've been given this to simplify, and we're going to use our BODMAS in order to determine how best to go about that. Alright, so firstly, starting with brackets, there are no brackets, so we can move on. Moving on to O, which is of, O, which is of, so we're going to move on because there is no of. Moving on to E, which is exponents. We don't see any exponents, so we can move on. Division, do you see any division? I don't see any division, so we're going to move on. Multiplication, right, so I see two dots. There's that dot over there and that dot over there, which says that this minus 3 is being multiplied by that 3, and it says that that minus 4 is being multiplied by that 4. Right, so let's underline those because that's where we're going to start. So we're going to do these first. And what's nice is we can do that in one line. Right, so let's do that together. It's going to be minus 3 times 3. So the minus and the plus gives us a minus. And it's going to be 3 times 3, which is going to be 9. Right, let's leave the plus there. Minus 4 times 4. So minus and a plus gives us a minus. I'm going to put that in brackets. 4 times 4 gives us 16. Right. Are we done with multiplication? Not really. We've got an invisible one that's sitting over here, and we want to try and get rid of this double sign. So let's do that next. So it's a form of multiplication that we need to do over there. Right, so let's keep the minus 9 in here. Let's keep the minus 9. And it's a plus and a minus, which is always a minus. And then we've got 16. And now we can finish this one off. Minus 9 minus 16, right? So we're moving further away from 0. So the minus 9 needs to get smaller by 16. And that's going to be minus 25. And that will give you the final answer. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send it to us and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time.